Hello students, welcome back. Today we're going to be studying the sound of the letter C and the letter K. Now, you're going to need your imaginary castanets. And you're going to go ka 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 ka. Can you go ka 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 ka? Your turn. Ka 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 ka. Very good. So we're going to have more words this time because there's words that start with the letter C and some that start with the letter K. So C-A-T, C-A-T, cat, cat. The typical noise of a cat is meow. And adult cat is called a cat. Next word, K-I-T-T-E-N, K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten, kitten. The kitten is the baby cat. Next word, C-L-O-G, C-L-O-G. Clog, clog. When you take a bath, you must make sure that the hole is clogged. Otherwise, the water is just going to fall out and you'll never be able to take a bath. Clog. Next word, K-I-N-G, K-I-N-G, king, king. The king and the queen of England are typical examples when we're talking about royalty. Next word, T-R-A-C-T-O-R, T-R-A-C-T-O-R, tractor, tractor. A tractor is a big truck that is used on a farm. Next word, K-I-T-E, K-I-T-E, kite, kite. Have you flown a kite today? Next word, C-L-O-C-K, C-L-O-C-K, clock, clock. Clocks tell us the time. Now, last word, S-K-I-P, S-K-I-P, skip, skip. I hope we didn't skip any words. Nope, we got all of them. Well done. Until next time.